Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief. And as America celebrates its 250th birthday, today I'm going to show you a classic for backyard grilling. Today we're going to do wings. And the recipe I'm going to show you is a smoked margarita wing. So to get started, take a sauce pot. To that you're going to add some butter, a bit of garlic, a little bit of lime juice, quite a bit of hot honey, and then last but not least, a little shot of tequila. Now we're going to take this and put this on our grill so we can start to get it to melt down and become almost like a glaze. Now we're going to prepare our wings. Start with a bowl of wings. I've got both drums and flats in here, and to that we're going to hit it with a little bit of oil. We want to make sure that they're well coated in oil. Now to that we're going to add some chimichurri. Chimichurri is a blend of spices with some salt, pepper, garlic, parsley. Then you're going to mix this up real well. Now we're ready to put them on our grill. So now, as you can see, I have a smoked chip box, which is giving us our smoke flavor. Now I'm going to place the wings on the grill. You're going to let these cook till they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Continue to turn your wings till they get some nice grill marks. Stir up your glaze and let them cook. Now when your wings are done, you're going to take them and drop them right into your glaze. Let those sit there for a minute. Take your chicken and just place them on a plate. And our last step is to just drizzle a little bit of cilantro, lime ranch over these wings. Smoked margarita wings. Enjoy.